Now, so today our topic is the case study of machining process. Okay. Once upon a time they are making the surface finish by using the file. We can see the file in workshop practice lab. But right now we no need to that file for important expected finishing. So okay. This is a head start. This is head start. Chop. 4 chop. Okay. This is a what is this? Tool post. What is this? Anvil. Huh? Which anvil? Tool post anvil. This is a carriage anvil. Just to give you a small feel. So once upon they are using the emery pattern. For fine finishing color, they are using emery pattern, they are using the applying the surface. They give them more forces on handle. It's made quickly, small amount of materials removing and give the slightly surface finish. But we are using the HSS steel bit, it gives more efficient than manual surface finish. Okay, surface work. And also it reducing the manpower, no need the except the more energy for making the surface finish. Okay. Just we give a small amount of depth of touch. We feel sound. Okay. Slowly we move. The carriage wheel. Don't stop really in any one area because it's forming a line on the surface. And also speed given it constantly. The wheel rotating should be constantly. We expect the good surface. It's slow in any one area, but slow after the workpiece. That will show the small form of line. After completing the process, we can see that. If you stop this area, then we close the line to the speed. It's forming a small amount of line. Okay, again, different slope we can. And again, do not give him more speed in the top. Maybe small amount of material does not remove. Yeah. Let's give the good surface, compare with this area. Okay. Yes, suppose if the tool is not available now, we should rotate this workpiece, then we apply the filing. Okay, it is a very difficult. Okay, that purpose we avoid, we utilizing the specially SS steels, stainless steels. For this operations, we use HSS material. HSS material. High speed steels. High speed steels. High speed steels. Next we do the facing operations. Slightly we tilt the tool. Okay, if we want a 40 degree, if we want 60 degree, 20 degree, we can adjust the workpiece. Then hold this heavily because if we lock, just vibrations produce. Tightly lock, vibration does not produce. small taper form. Okay, small amount of material, small amount of taper form. Okay, we are doing the facing operation. Facing operations we do feed by using this sleeve. Trailing operations we do using this sleeve. Don't confuse. What happened? Sound noise is because we give them more depth, heavy depth. We have it the coolant, so friction is high. Today we will give the heat connected both of workpiece and cutting tools. Same here, from buttons.